welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the mainstay, we're going to make a beetroot soup with some coconut milk in it. It is absolutely delicious. It takes no time at all and has very few ingredients. Healthy, vegetarian, and this one is vegan. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. Very, very simple. So I've got beetroot, that's raw beetroot. I just peeled it off, give it a little wash. Carrot, potato, and onion. And as you can see, I've kind of got twice as much beetroot as I have to these three guys here. Tablespoon of garlic. I've got some paprika there, like 2 teaspoons of paprika. Be careful with paprika because there's 3 types. There's hot, which is basically chili powder, so be careful with that. Sweet, which is what that is, and smoked. Smoked would be actually really nice in this. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, salt and pepper, that's about it. Okay, could not be easier, so you're going to need a large pot or something like that with a lid. I've got in there some olive oil. We'll start off by dropping in our garlic, our onion, the potato, the carrot, our beetroot, the paprika, and if you wanted you could change this to something else, get some thyme in there, rosemary, up to you really. I'm going to add some salt, black pepper. We're on just an above and a medium heat right now. We're going to go just for about 4 to 5 minutes. Sweat it down just a little bit. And then the next step is we're just simply going to add some liquid. I'm just going to be adding water. If you wanted, you could be adding some form of stock or something like that. This is super easy and super delicious. Back in about 4 or 5. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? So that's just sweating down just a little bit there. Very simply, we're going to add some form of liquid. Like I said, if you want, you could use some stock. I'm going to go with just water. So there's enough water there just to cover it over just a little bit. I'm going to raise the heat. We need to bring this to a boil. Once it reaches boiling point, turn the heat down, get it on a nice rolling boil, and then let it go for about 10 to 12 minutes. What we're looking for here is absolutely soft. Baby food really, super soft. Then we're going to liquidize that, lid on, back in about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat and off comes the lid. Just get that steam out of the way. And you can see that everything there is beautifully soft. What we're going to do now is liquidize it now. You can do it in one of those jug things that you stick on a blender. I've got one that goes inside, give it a whiz, back in a moment. Look at that, super vibrant color, nice consistency, a little thick. I mean, you can adjust that. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop in, well, I'm going to drop in a little bit of coconut milk. You could be putting in some cream if you wanted, or some almond milk. Yeah, I'm going to go with a little bit of coconut milk. Keeping this vegan, just needs a little splash. We're going to mix that around. That's really going to develop the colour into a beautiful pink. Check that for salt. You might want to add a little bit more. I'm really good with where I am. And that's it. Let me get that in a bowl. See you at the table. All right, and there you go. Job done. Beautiful. I like to give this a little squeeze of lemon on there. And we're good to go. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, say hi, leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.